Hello there.
It's not gonna happen.
Please.
It's not gonna happen.
Please.
We're gonna walk right through. Look at that. That's cute. I like this resort. I like the proximity to the Magic Kingdom. I like how quiet it is. I'll be interested to see what Beach Club is like.
Yeah.
Especially because we are MGM. Oh, first time this trip. We are Hollywood Studios people.
Yes. You want to do a fun fact?
Oh, that wasn't a bad walk. We just walked right from there to here to the bus stop. Yeah, that's not bad. A short 9-minute bus ride later, we are here. So park is already opened. It's about 8:15 in the morning. Right now everything is 5 minutes. Navi River Journey is 20 and Flight of Passage is
75.
So
Mom was asking what the wait times were at like 7:59. We were like, Mom, the park's not open yet. There's no wait time.
To be prepared. I like to know what I'm getting into. So our strategy, we're going to use the same strategy that we usually do. We are going to go to the right. We're going to go over to Asia. We're going to ride Everest until we puke. Yay!
No.
Yeah, until we puke. Until we puke.
We're in. So the lady at the turnstile saw Aiden's shirt, asked him what it meant, and he said, oh, it's the year Animal Kingdom opened. And then she started, I was here, I was working when it opened, you weren't even born yet. So that was cool. Crowds are light, definitely different than what we saw yesterday in the Magic Kingdom so far. So let's see what things look like in Asia. Aiden, update?
Everything else is still 5 minutes besides Pandora.
Mom's real convinced that there's just gonna be like a horde of people that are just gonna like enter the park.
Listen, some of my work friends and I have conversations a lot about how, like, if we go to a movie and it's like we went to see Bad Moms, and we were convinced that there was going to be like a bus of moms that showed up, so we just want to make sure we get our ticket. And look at that. We come in, and all of a sudden the sun comes through. Look at that. As an update, she has so much room for activities. Yeah, we are walking into Asia, and we are the only ones walking into Asia. Apparently everybody else has decided to go to Pandora. Fine by us. How many times do you think we can ride Everest, buddy?
4.
4?
At least.
All right, posted time at this point is 15. What do you think, buddy?
What?
15 is the posted time.
Oh, okay, I'll bet it'll be like 5-10 minutes.
That would be scary. Whoa. So we were on and off in all of 5 minutes. So we are going to go again. We decided our limit for Everest after a Tonga toast breakfast is 2. So we are going to go over to Dinosaur. Oh, they're gonna pin trade. You can still pin trade. So instead of having the pins, there's now a board. Love it. Completely empty. Dino-rama. Oh, Dino-rama. 5 minutes, so I'm assuming we are just going to walk right on.
When you say to your mom you should go get McDonald's and she agrees. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work as much from the back.
No, it was great, Mare.
I'm funny.
Okay, pop quiz. Just kidding.
Alright, so that's how they're doing this. So they just play this continuously. Oh, your father is such a rule follower.
Today that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology.
There we go. Oh yeah.
We were so unbelievably close to hello there. We were literally seconds away.
It's hello there in our hearts. There is no one behind us. We might have our own little time rover. It's all on us.
All right, team. You know the drill. We need to get in and get out. Let's find that dino.
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
We survived yet again our dinosaur trek 65 million years into the past.
Yeah, plus 2 mountain climbs. I'm tired. I think it's time for a safari.
Yes, go check out some animals.
We will be back here for the buffalo chicken chips. Oh my goodness, they are so good. We made it to Africa. So we're still walking to the end of the line. The app still says 15, so we are gonna see.
See them in the water on the left. Those are not animatronics, they're very real. They can reach 20 feet long from the tip of their nose to the tip of their tail. Baby giraffes are about 6 feet tall when they're first born. Now if you think about it though, they gotta be able to nurse. Bob's pretty tall. Females can get maybe 15 feet at the most. Male giraffes have been known to stand 18 to 20 feet tall. Little itty bitty guys, as they're springboks, they're tiny but mighty. Springbok can leap about 6 feet straight up. The youngsters are around 10 to 12 years old. They take a good 13 to 15 years to reach maturity. You can see them again over your shoulders there.
I'll take a picture of it.
And this watering hole on the left-hand side is actually one of their favorite watering holes. Flamingos prefer tiny brine shrimp, which are rich in a vitamin called carotene. It's this vitamin that's thought to turn their feathers pink. There's nothing between us and them, but that's because they're considered gentle giants for the most part. Pretty non-aggressive. Although for some reason they form groups called crashes. So crashibrinos. My rhinoceros also don't look very white, but they're not named for their color.
That was a really good safari. We got to see a couple of the animals that we don't really get to see a whole lot, especially like the cheetah was up and moving. I don't remember ever seeing the cheetah like up and actually moving around.
The cheetah definitely wanted to eat us.
Oh yeah,
definitely.
It was like walking across, and then all of a sudden it was like on the other side of the fence, and it was just looking at us.
And then
they gave the cheetahs pumpkins.
Yeah, the cheetah wanted to play. No.
Now we're gonna head over to Kali. We may end up. We brought the GoPro, so I'm gonna try to use the GoPro to see if I can get some on-ride footage of Kali. So we'll see how that goes.
doesn't even matter how wet the thing is. It's a random spin.
Shut up.
Yeah, we're probably.
Yeah, we're already spinning so much.
Yep, here we go. Woo! I don't know, I feel good about my seat. Oh look, those are cool. Again, this ride has a lot of good pictures. But it's all wet.
Too bad you can't take it. Oh no, we don't really. Really in the rapids now.
We are definitely like off kilter. This is.
Spit, please.
Oh boy. Ooh. Whoa.
Ah, no.
Oh god.
No.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Spit. No. No. Oh no. 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 No.
I just got really wet. Oh my god. It's just not so.
No, it's okay. We're great. We're doing great. Oh no! No!
Oh god! Oh god!
Duck.
Wet.
Wet. Oh my god. Your whole back is like soaked.
We got a little soaked. You know, there's been some damage from Kali River Rapids. We are gonna go to one of our favorite snack places, Trilobites, and get the buffalo blue cheese chips. But first, oh my goodness, these monkeys are just, they're talking their little brains out today. They are just talking and talking and talking. Look at them.
And now they're roaming.
We made it to Trilobites. They are open. Even better than Trilobites being open because we love this snack. We found a picnic table.
Table content.
Table content. Yep, yesterday you got path content. Today it's table content. So it looks like what's nice is they set up a bunch of these picnic tables around here so you can sit down, and if you're stationary you can take off your mask when you're eating, and so that is what we shall be doing. This man just brought this. Oh, this is so good. We are going to devour this. I would say wait time for this being done is about 5 minutes, so stay tuned.